Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nina and Kichi. So today I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on the hair. What are we looking like? What is it doing? I'm still in love, as you can see. The older it's getting, the better. I think in the other video that I told you guys about, well, I told you guys about the hair, I did crochet in the back. And I did individuals in the front, and I'm in love. Like, I don't have to worry about doing my hair. Like, I love it. One thing I will say is that for me personally, I feel like the curly pieces that were through the lock, I had to cut them out. I cut them out the first day I did them because I felt like my hair was super big. But I feel like it's so needed because I noticed that with the little pieces that I did leave in, they started getting like super nappy. So I feel like you should cut it out. I'm standing up so I can show you guys a better view. I love them, like they're so pretty. Yeah, so I love these. That's just the update. I think we're going on like 3 weeks now. 3 weeks, almost a month maybe. Still, I feel like the older they get, the better they look. Sorry, I know I look crazy. The older they get, the better they look, in my opinion. Like, I have no complaints, guys. This is the Bobbi Boss New Lock hair in boho French deep. I love how the older they get, they just look more like distressed. And that's it, guys. I made a video for this look, so if you are interested in knowing how I got this look, feel free to go to my channel and you'll see it. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.